Good job, boys. It's your boy Rory reporting back from the 340, man. It's been a minute since we dropped a video, but we're back. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail, we are in fact about to go over I don't know, like a cost breakdown and how like I basically am able to afford this car at 18, even though it's nothing crazy, you know, just a 2016 340. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2016 BMW 340i. Right now it's stage 2 with the high pressure fuel pump. Nothing too crazy. Got a whole bunch of stuff planned over this winter. As you guys can see, it is all the freaking trees, the leaves are falling now, so it's pretty cold out now. It's about to start snowing and stuff. But yeah, I gotta go get gas, so we're gonna pull up to the gas station, let y'all see how much it costs to fill the tank or whatever, and then we're gonna go over like what I had to do to get this car on my own and how much it is monthly to pay for like insurance and car payments and stuff like that. So yeah, man, hopefully y'all boys enjoy the video. I'm gonna run over to the gas station and I'm gonna hop back in this one with y'all as soon as I get over there. I haven't drove. This is my daily that I've been driving, or my first car that I've been driving. Parked this a couple days ago. Been driving the Nissan Ultimate Energy, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get to the gas station. Hopefully there's some stuff going on later, so this video is not too boring. Y'all probably don't want to sit and hear me talk about how much my car costs, but yeah, hopefully it inspires somebody to go out there and get one. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up, boys, when I get to the gas station in 1 second, man. Before we go, now that I think about it, I've never really done a cold start with this car, so I'm gonna set the phone down and we're gonna see. I do not have E in my tank. We're just on 93. I can run E, if y'all didn't know. I have the fuel pump. But yeah, do a cold start right quick before we run to the gas station. Nothing too crazy, man. All I got is so this car has 2 resonators and a muffler. I just got 1 resonator deleted and a gutted muffler. I plan on getting a full exhaust system over the winter. Y'all will see that whole process. I'm gonna do like a whole build process because my goal for this car is to hopefully by next summer make 600 to the wheel, man. So I got a whole bunch of stuff planned. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to the gas station, man. Give me 1 second. Boom, just like magic, the boy made it to the gas station, man. Yo, am I the only one that never know like how to freaking calculate how far you are from the pump, bro? Like sometimes I'll pull up and I'll be all the way over there. Sometimes you'll pull up, you'll be right here, bro. I can't be the only one that do not know how to calculate how far they are from the pump. But boom, let me get this gas in here. I can move from right here because I've definitely got like crazy social anxiety, bro. Yo, how do these YouTubers be freaking like? How do they like, bro? I can't even talk, bro. That's how bad it is, bro. Like, how the hell do they just be walking around in public with the camera in their face, bro? Like, how do y'all do that? Like, I need to learn that way. If I learn that way, I'll be dropping videos like every day, bro. I think that's my problem. I just got like hella social anxiety, bro. As y'all boys can see, man, we are getting 93. I am on the stage 2 93 map from MHD. Bro, of course they want to play music, bro. Like, what is this, bro? Well, yeah, we're about to see how much it is to fill the tank. I don't know what that is. Do y'all see that? What car is that, bro? What freaking? Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Yo, my camera is not trying to let me zoom in right now, bro. Y'all hear that? What is that? Yo, that's some fucking crazy shit, bro. Let me get back to pumping my camera. Yo, I don't know what that is. Every time I pull the camera out, bro, something crazy is outside. I think they're going to the gas station over there, so hopefully I get done pumping the gas in time. I'll go over there and show y'all what that is. But yeah, we're about to see how much it is to fill the tank right quick, man. After that, hopefully I make, yo, I don't know what that is, but that shit looks sick and it's chopping, bro. I gotta go over there to see what that is. This gas couldn't pump any faster. But yeah, today, man, I'm gonna give y'all boys the rundown on how much I basically paid for this car and how y'all can do it too at 18. Even though your boy's about to be 19 in a couple of weeks or a couple of days. It's November now. My birthday. It's November. I think he's leaving. Well, we missed him. Well, still not full. We're at $40. Hopefully that car comes back this way so I can get a good angle of it. Yeah, they are. Are they coming over here? What is that? Yo, what is that, bro? I don't know if y'all can see it, but bro, hold on. Let me see if I can go closer. I don't know if his window's down. What is that? Can y'all see it? I don't know what that is, bro. I think it's like some type of Corvette, bro. What the hell is that? I would yell rev it, but I ain't gonna lie, this my social anxiety wouldn't let me. Anywho, man, I'm gonna get back to pumping my gas. One day we're gonna own some crazy junk. I really want a twin turbo R8, but that's for the future, man. If y'all boys tap in with me and we lock in. Bro, what is that, bro? And we lock in with this YouTube stuff, bro. Next car I'm trying to get is a F80, because I just love the F series bodies, bro. But as y'all boys can see, $54 to fill the tank on my dang 3 series, bro. That's insane. But it's whatever. Nothing crazy. From here, I don't even know where I'm gonna go. I'm trying to find a spot with some good lighting so I can record this video for y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up, boys, whenever I find a spot with some good lighting. I would do it here, but I don't know, it's super awkward for me. But if I can't find a spot, I'll come back here and we'll just bang it out. So boom, I'm gonna catch up, boys, 1 second. Boom, all right, y'all boys. Your boy might get towed if I don't hurry up and record. I just found some random spot downtown. But yeah, let's get into it, man. How I can afford this car at 18. That's what y'all been watching this whole video for. So boom. Before I get into that, let me tell y'all why I wanted this car. So when I first turned 18, which was last November, I was looking for one. I went like an hour away from where I stay now to try to get one. And they had one. I applied, and unfortunately I did get declined because I had no credit history, which is a big thing when you're trying to get a car on your own. Like if you have somebody to what do they call it, if you have somebody who can co-sign for you, then that's even better. But if you're trying to get it on your own, you're gonna have to build some type of credit history. So I'm not the one to teach you guys about credit, so you got to look that up. But yeah, I went to apply for one, got declined. Then I thought it was because of like how much the car cost at the time, because I knew nothing. So I'm thinking, oh, they think this kid's about to be 18, this car is way too expensive for him, he can't pay for it. So I'm thinking that's what it was. So I ended up finding a cheaper car. Ended up finding a car that was cheaper, and same problem, ended up getting declined for that too. So I was like, you know what, let me wait. I ended up waiting up until it was, when did I get this car? Like two almost 3 months ago. And I seen this on a BMW. They had a certified pre-owned site, and I was on there, and at first I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna get it, bro. I'm gonna just wait. But then I was like, for the price I got it for, which I won't tell y'all in this video, but take a guess in the comment section how much y'all think I got this car for, and I'll let y'all know who was right. But yeah, like I said, for the price I seen this for, I was like, bro, I'm not even gonna wait. So ended up buying a flight, flew out, drove it 5 hours back from where I got it, bro. On the drive back, my phone ended up dying, bro. It was the worst. It was the best and worst experience, bro, because I got a car that I really wanted, but I had to drive back 5 hours with basically no GPS, bro. So yeah, boom. But the thing y'all really came for is how much I'm paid for it, or like how much I'm paying for it, because it is financed. I'm not rich. I couldn't just buy it cash, man, unfortunately. I'm 18. I got freaking an apartment, so I can't just buy cars cash at the moment, you know what I'm saying? That's something I want to do though, if y'all boys tap in. You know, if you like this video, if you're not already, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, man. If you boys tap in, maybe one day I'll be able to buy a car straight cash. Next car I want is a F80 M3, if y'all boys don't know that. I just love the F30 like the F30 and F80 chassis, bro, are currently my favorite. Just F chassis in general are my favorite, bro. Like, look at this, bro. Even though my junk is still basically stock from the exterior, we got monster truck fitment. But anywho, man, how much I pay? So The car payments are not bad. Insurance is the worst part. When you're 18, bro, insurance, like if you're on your own, insurance is terrible, bro. Like at 18, trying to get insurance on your own, if they even approve you, bro, they're gonna charge you whatever they want because you have no choice. You see what I'm saying? So for insurance on this car, I'm paying, drum roll please, your boy's paying $700 a month. Bro, that's crazy. $700 a month just for car insurance, bro. But it is what it is, man, because like, you see what I'm saying, it's a car I really wanted, so I wasn't gonna like just let that deter me from just paying, or not just paying, from having this car just because insurance is trying to freaking scam, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so $700 for insurance, and the car payment's pretty cheap, you know, it's only $498 is what I pay. I'm not scared to tell you guys, you know, it's whatever. You don't gotta pocket watch me, I'm broke. But yeah, so it's $700 for the car for insurance, $498 for monthly payments on the car. And when I got this, well, I still work. When I got this, I was working two jobs. Had a full-time job. I was doing about 45, 50 hours, and then I was working at Wendy's. There I was doing 20, 25 hours a week, probably more depending. And yeah, bro, I had money saved up because I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it. So when I seen this, it's like, why not? Let me go get it. Something I really want, and I want to start a YouTube channel. I started the YouTube channel with my Volkswagen. I still have those videos up. If you go back and watch when I bought the Volkswagen, I started the channel with that. But I was like, this is not really what I want, because I knew what I wanted. I knew I wanted the BMW. I'm freaking obsessed with BMWs, bro. So it was like, do I keep the Volkswagen? Do I dump a whole bunch of money into it? Or do I sell it and wait until I find a car that I really want? And boom, now we have this. So but yeah, so how I did it, 2 full-time jobs at 18. That might sound crazy because I don't go to school right now. I plan on going back to college for something. I don't know. I started going for mechanics and I just did not like the program. I didn't even really start. It was just too much at the time. So I was like, you know what? Take a step back and I'll come back when I figure out what I want to do. So for right now, I'm gonna just try to do YouTube and continue to work 2 jobs. So hopefully I don't have to work 2 jobs in a year or from now. You know, hopefully doing YouTube pays off. Hopefully, you know, this works out for me. You know, that's what I really want to do. So yeah, man, that's rundown on how I got the car. 2 full-time jobs, saved up a little bit, got a credit card when I first turned 18, and I was just using that, paying it back, using that, established a little bit of credit. And then when I went in and I applied, it was better that time around because I had the established credit, because that's what you need. They want to know that you can pay for it. Unless you have cash to just go buy this car, they want to know you have credit history, and they gotta, like, they're basically trusting you with their money, so they want to know you can pay for it. So yeah, boom, you just gotta work 2 jobs, bro. 2 jobs, establish a slight credit history if you don't have anyone to co-sign for you, and if you have somebody that can put you on their insurance and they're over the age of 25, bro, please do it, bro, because insurance on any car, bro, at 18 is crazy, bro. They had me paying $500 on my Nissan that you guys seen earlier in the video, and it's crazy. Right now I'm paying $2 something for that car because I don't have full coverage on it, because I was not about to pay freaking for this and that. I don't got it like that, unfortunately. Even with 2 jobs, I don't got it like that. So yeah, man, that's how your boy can afford this car. Whole bunch of mods coming soon for it. Your boy's just gonna grind, you know, pay for my car payment, pay for my insurance, as well as, you know, buy mods for y'all, upload videos. Plenty more content coming. I have been slacking lately. I've been super down. I don't know why. Just, I don't know. I haven't been feeling it lately, bro, but I'm back, bro. It's like every time I'm like, I'm gonna pick the camera up and I'm gonna go record, I don't do it. But once I pick the camera up, I'm like, I see why I want to do it, because I enjoy it so much. You see what I'm saying? So it's just, I just gotta take that step to pick the camera up and get out and record, and then boom, video coming for y'all. But if you're new to the channel, I'll do a quick little mod breakdown for y'all, what I got done right now. Tents, not a mod, but we'll throw it in there. Probably won't see because it is dark, but I have a RK Tunes front mount intake. We have a VRSF downpipe, one resonator delete, gutted muffler. It's currently stage 2 high pressure fuel pump, but I'm on 93, so nothing crazy. I've ran E before. It's a big ass, bro. Running E, I didn't know, because like before I got this car, I didn't really know much about cars. I was driving my Nissan. Craziest thing I had was a freaking Volkswagen Jetta Mark IV, so I didn't know much. So, but yeah, on E, bro, it's such a big jump. And to think that I want to make 600 wheel next summer, bro, it's gonna be crazy, bro. So y'all just stay tuned for the build. We'll probably go and hand it off here, because it is people over here just fucking staring at me, and I got social anxiety for some reason. So hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the rundown. If y'all want to know more about the car, or more about how you can drive something like this at 18, then just leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer. I'm not a knowledge guru, I'm just young trying to make it, bro. So let me know if y'all boys like the video, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Worry out. But before I forget, before I leave y'all boys, I don't think I've ever done like any, since the first day I got this car, I don't think I've done any like revving clips or anything like that. My favorite part of the car right now has to be the intake. So I'm gonna give y'all boys, I'm gonna set the tripod up in the back, and then I'll set it up in the front to see if y'all can get any intake noise from it. We're gonna do comfort, then go to sport, and sport plus. Sound crazy. I'm gonna go in the front so y'all can hear the front mount. That's my favorite part about this car. Ever since I did that front mount, bro, it just sounds crazy. I'm gonna put you guys on the side with the front mount. Hopefully it picks it up good, because then that'll be pretty pointless that I'm glazing and you can't even hear it. Well, yeah, I'm gonna put y'all boys right here and let's see. Alright, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here before they kick me out. So catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed. Like I said, once again, drop a comment on how much you guys think I paid for this car, and drop a comment if you have any questions on how you could be in something like this, man. I'm willing to give out any advice from what I know right now, just from trial and error, from knowledge. But yeah, man, catch y'all boys in the next video. Rory out, man.